Rocking chair witch. A skeleton knight.
You will never have a chance against me. I am afraid of no one, but you should be afraid of me.
I like that. Alright, we have here, I don't know what he is. Alright, animated skeleton wolf. Let's see if he works. Oh! He works. 21 bucks, that's cheap. Not a happy wolf. But a very talkative wolf. Alright, we have here the You Better. Alright. And Day of the Dead Skull. Skeleton Arch. 98 bucks. A Nightmare of the doctor's office. Let's see what she is here. It's Patty. Okay. We have this guy. He doesn't work. Let's see if we can get him to. None of these guys want to work. They're on strike, folks. None of them work. And we have Magpie Spider Legs. These are various bottles. Powdered skull. My skull felt like that the other day. Let's see if this works. The candle lights up. Flashing necklace. No, thank you. I don't want to look at your dad. All these phrases, I don't know what, have any idea what they are. Here's a tombstone. Boy, he's busy. Okay. Okay, we have the Freaky Frank. He does. Well, you know, that won't be on my bookshelf. Guys do go on for a while. Battery-operated LED skull lights. Battery-operated lights with a timer. Those are cheap. $3.84. Little tiny LED lights. I like that. Here's flickering lights. Animated skeleton dog. LED Reaper. Here's a candelabra. Strobe light, spider web, pumpkin set, webcaster gun, strobe light fog tube accessory set, Halloween match, pretty cheap, $6.88, $9.88. Here are more fog tube lights. Carving set for pumpkins. There's the skeleton light, $39. I like that. It's 40 bucks. Affordable. I like the skeleton. Okay, pumpkin with raven. Pumpkin Reaper. LED skeleton bat. Oh, that's almost cute. Mini cat. Boneyard mini cat animated. I'm not sure how how you'd animate him. Let's see, try me. He doesn't work. Animated frog, door knocker, witches. I saw this coming home on the bus in somebody's house. The LED trick-or-treat neon sign. It looked cool. $21.98 for this. That'd be worth it. Witch. More skeleton dogs. Pose and stay skeleton. Eyes light up. And more things. And this thing, the high voltage induction box. Here's the witch again. I don't want to play the skeleton wolf. Haunted house. A coffin carriage. That's kind of cool. LED chair witch. Jackal man. Skeleton pirate. Macabre witch. That's it, folks. I'll go over here and get the last of the Christmas stuff. And, okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Where did my shopping cart go? Oh, there it is. And stay safe out there and have fun. Bye-bye for now.